Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect convenience outlet full guide. Start by turning off power at the breaker and verify the circuit is de-energized with a tester. Gather supplies and plan box placement, then route cable, strip conductors correctly, and make solid connections using proper techniques. Secure the outlet, install the cover, restore power, and test the receptacle for correct polarity and grounding before finishing. I'll walk through wiring a convenience outlet safely, step by step. First, identify the feed and switch legs, label wires, and determine if GFCI protection is required for the location. Use proper box fill calculations, match conductor sizes to the circuit amperage, and strip wires to the correct length for firm connections. Tighten terminals securely, fasten the outlet, replace the cover, restore power, and test the receptacle with a tester. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control keeps floors clean so your new outlet powers a tidy room. It's a quick household MVP that pairs well with weekend upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting a convenience outlet is straightforward with a methodical approach. If the outlet is dead, recheck the breaker, look for tripped GFCI, and inspect wire connections for loose or corroded screws. If buzzing or warm, shut power off and inspect for overloaded circuit or poor contact. Replace damaged outlet, pigtail problematic wires, and retest. If unsure about wiring anomalies, consult a licensed electrician for safety and code compliance and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.